Conservative MP Pierre Poilievre has sparked controversy with his recent assertion that Canadians are fleeing to Nicaragua due to the current political and economic climate in Canada. Poilievre's remarks have drawn sharp criticism from Liberal officials, who argue that his statement is unfounded and demonstrates a lack of understanding of the realities facing Canadians. In a recent interview, Poilievre claimed that Canadians are seeking refuge in Nicaragua because they are disillusioned with the direction Canada is heading in under the leadership of Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. He cited rising taxes, increased government intervention in the economy, and a lack of job opportunities as reasons why Canadians are allegedly choosing to relocate to Nicaragua. However, Poilievre's claims have been met with skepticism and rebuke from Liberal politicians, who accuse him of spreading misinformation for political gain. Liberal Party spokespersons have dismissed Poilievre's assertion as baseless and have accused him of fear-mongering. Furthermore, experts have weighed in on the matter, noting that there is no evidence to support Poilievre's claim that Canadians are fleeing to Nicaragua in significant numbers. While Nicaragua may appeal to some individuals for its lower cost of living and warmer climate, the idea that Canadians are leaving their country en masse is highly improbable. In response to Poilievre's comments, some Canadians have taken to social media to express their disbelief and frustration. Many have pointed out that Canada continues to be a desirable destination for immigrants and refugees from around the world, citing its strong economy, high quality of life, and commitment to diversity and inclusion. Poilievre's remarks have reignited debates about the state of Canada's economy and the effectiveness of the government's policies. While there are certainly challenges facing the country, including issues such as affordability and job creation, the notion that Canadians are fleeing to Nicaragua is not supported by facts. So, Pierre Poilievre's assertion that Canadians are flocking to Nicaragua is unsubstantiated and has been widely criticized by Liberal officials and experts alike. While there may be legitimate concerns about the state of the Canadian economy, spreading misinformation only serves to undermine constructive dialogue and debate.